This is Ronnie, a 35-year-old elephant working in her village temple for decades. Today, Ronnie is leaving her home, carried away on a steel auto trolley. A week ago, Ronnie fell ill. Her legs, once strong enough to uproot trees, couldn't bear her own weight anymore. The temple caretakers tried everything: traditional medicine, endless prayers, but the village resources weren't enough. The only hope lay in a distant animal sanctuary 200 kilometers away. With nothing but borrowed faith, the villagers pooled their resources and placed Ronnie on an auto trolley. Every bump in the road felt like thunder. Every sharp turn, a gamble. Yet, through it all, Ronnie sat still, her trunk gently resting on the edge of the trolley as if she understood the urgency.